I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by inspecting each dread. Look for weak roots, frizz, or buildup so you know which method to use. Once done, wash with a residue-free shampoo and towel dry to damp. Make sure to separate sections with clips. Begin with the most damaged area, palm roll small sections for tighter formation, or use a 0.5 mm crochet hook for stubborn loose hairs. As you work, keep tension consistent. This prevents uneven shrinkage and reduces breakage. You now move into the detailed restructuring. Take one dread at a time and decide whether palm rolling or crocheting fits it best. For loose hairs, insert the crochet hook and pull strands into the center, rotating to maintain cylindrical shape. Once tucked, palm roll firmly for 30 to 60 seconds to compress the fibers and encourage locking. After several dreads, smooth ends with a dab of light oil. Make sure not to overload the scalp, as heavy products cause. You finish by ensuring dreads are set. Air dry or use low heat under 60 degrees, then wrap with silk to preserve shape overnight. Once dry, inspect roots and joins, recrochet any persistent loose areas and palm roll weak dreads for added cohesion. If fuzz or unraveling continues despite maintenance, make sure to repeat targeted crochet sessions and consider trimming severely damaged tips to prevent spread. If breakage is extensive, consult a professional loctician for reinforcement or partial reinstallation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.